Dear children, you are a part of chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is The Solar System. You are watching the third video of this chapter. Satellite. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around a planet in the same way as the planets move around the sun. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. The moon, natural satellite. Planets have a number of natural satellites called moons. Some don't have any. Our earth has only one satellite, that is the moon, which we see in the sky. It does not have the light of its own. Rather, it reflects the light of the sun falling on it. Mercury and Venus, neither of them has a moon. Mars has two moons. Jupiter has 79 known moons. Saturn has 53 moons. Uranus has 27 moons. Neptune has 14 moons. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It has mountains, plains, and craters on its surface. You see the full moon only once in about a month's time. It is full night or Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see it at all. It is a new moon night or Amavasya. Phases of the moon. The moon appears to change its shape every day. As we know, the moon revolves around the earth. The side of the moon facing us receives different amount of sunlight, due to which it appears to change its shape. The day-to-day changes in the shape of the moon are called phases of the moon. The different phases of the moon are new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, and full moon. The first one is new moon. During new moon, we cannot see the moon, as the side of the moon facing the earth does not receive any sunlight. The second one is crescent moon. When only small part of the moon gets light and becomes visible to us, it is called the crescent moon. Half moon. When half part of the facing side of the moon gets sunlight, it is called the half moon. Gibbous moon. When almost 3/4 of the moon receives sunlight, it is called the gibbous moon. The increasing size of the illuminated part of the moon is called waxing, and the decreasing size of the illuminated part of the moon is called waning. Man-made satellite, that is artificial satellite. There are a number of artificial or man-made satellites which are carried by a rocket and placed in the orbit around the earth. They are designed by scientists to gather information about the universe or for communication. Some of the Indian satellites in space are INSAT, IRS, Educational Satellite, etc. Some of the satellites of different countries in space are Sputnik 1, Explorer 1, Ariel 1, etc. Now let us discuss about some artificial satellite. The first one is communication satellite. Communication satellite is to get audio video communication. The second one is navigation satellite. Navigation satellite is to find the path and position in space and oceans. The next one is weather satellite. Weather satellite is to get weather forecasting. The last one is astronomical satellite. Astronomical satellite is to study the distant stars and galaxies. Well, this is all about the chapter. Thank you so much.